much.
Just
Okay.
look at my face. You can assess me.
Yeah.
What is my condition? How is I am?
But it looks like very smart person.
Thank you for your compliments.
Okay.
ಸರ್ ಈಗ
Yes, sir.
ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಈಗ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಮೊಳಕಾಲ್ಮೂರು ತಾಲೂಕು ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂನ್ಸಿ ವೈಸ್ ನಾನು ಫಿಗರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. 2019 1464 ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಮೊಳಕಾಲ್ಮೂರು ತಾಲೂಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ. ಈಗ 3142 ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. So shortly we are going to finalize. That is pertaining to my taluka. But with regard to the issue relating to Taluk and Naikratti, which comes under my jurisdiction, both the hoblies, see, that is about 1,000. Earlier it was done 2019 in Taluku. But now we have reached to 1,087. And in Naikratti, 1,286 already we have done and accepted the applications. But total put together in my constituency is 5,550 as a date.
Oh, great.
But still we are doing it also, we are pursuing. I am requesting all the revenue people, all the secretaries and village, the accountants also, that I got them all involved. And also they are collecting all the information from all the remote areas of the graduates. We are finding out still, we are in a position to collect all this. I want to make it sure that I am leading the whole state more than that. So
Great, sir.
this is my ambition.
Yeah, good. Sir, definitely those people should come and vote also. Please take care of
No.
things, sir.
See, whatever the people they have come, they have represented their applications, but they are all my own people. They are under my control. But earlier, as you know that I was not here for all these days. Just about 2 years back, I am here. In spite of it, whatever the people they have done it earlier, it has been forgotten. But now afresh I am doing it also. As on date, you can make a note of that, 5,501 as on date. In addition to that, I am also leading to collect more the information.